So let us now start with the very fundamentals. We'll start with the definition of circles, then go on to different terms related to circles. So let us start with the first thing, the definition of a circle. Now, we are very familiar with a circle, right? It's a round shape. But when we are writing a definition, the definition needs to be very precise. Okay? So how do we define it? First thing is the circle is in a plane, right? We're not talking of a ball, we're talking of a circle. So the first thing is that it's a figure which is drawn on a plane. Next thing is, it's a set of all the points which are equidistant from a given fixed point called the center. Okay? So what's a circle? A circle is a simple figure, a simple closed figure which is drawn on a plane and which is a set of points equidistant from a fixed point called the center. So now let's say this is the center of the circle. Let's call it O. Generally, whenever we are doing circles, the letter O is reserved to represent the center. All other letters we use to represent other things, but O is reserved to represent the center of a circle. There is also another way to define a circle. So in order to understand the second definition, we need to understand another term which is called the locus. Now what is a locus? A locus is a set of points which satisfies a given condition. I'll repeat. A locus is simply a set of points which satisfies a given condition. So let's say I have a line here. Okay, let's call this line A, B. Okay, so I'm calling this line A, B. Now suppose I want the set of all the points which are 1 centimeter away from this line segment. Okay, again, strictly speaking, a line is infinite. So when it's a small finite segment we're talking about, we should call it a line segment. So we have a line segment AB and we want the locus of a point which is always 1 centimeter from the line. That means its distance from the line should always be 1 centimeter. So let's say there's a point here. Its distance from the line means what? It means its perpendicular distance. So see, this distance should be 1 centimeter. So what did I say? Find the locus of a point which is equidistant, which is at a distance of 1 centimeter from AB. So this point definitely, and then all the points on this line which is parallel to AB and 1 centimeter away from AB. Then on this side also you'll have all the points which are parallel to AB and 1 centimeter away. Then from here you'll have to make a semicircle, and from here you'll have to make a semicircle. So do you get an idea of what is locus? It is just the set of all the points which is satisfying a given condition. In this case, what is the condition? The condition is that all the points should be 1 centimeter away from the line. So you can check it. If you take any point and you'll see that its distance from the line segment is 1 centimeter. Okay, so that's the meaning of locus. You can have a simpler example also. Let's say there is a building, okay? Let's say some building and I'm looking at the top, from the top view of the building. And you have to go around the building in such a way that you always maintain, say, 10 meters from the building. So how will you go? So see, you'll go like this, then you'll go around like this, then again go around, then again go around, then again go around, and then of course here. We have to assume that the distance was enough here for covering 10 centimeters. So that's the meaning of locus. So in order to discuss the second definition of circle, I told you what's a locus. Now let's see the definition of the circle. The second definition says that a circle is nothing but the locus of a point which maintains a fixed distance from a fixed point. So on the plane, we have a fixed point O. Now the circle is a set of all the points which maintains a fixed distance, and this distance is known as the radius, normally written as small r. So all the points, you take any point on this and its distance from the fixed point is r. So what is the definition of a circle? It is the locus of a point which always maintains a fixed distance from a given fixed point. Okay, you can use any of the definitions, but just remember the main thing, that all the points on the circumference, that is this part, all the points on the circumference are equidistant from the center. Now let us look at different terms related to a circle.